Hey everybody, it's Larry from Florida Fun Outdoors. Today we're going to be installing a thumb throttle adapter for a MoonCool TK1 folding trike. It's just a generic thumb throttle. I purchased this off eBay. They're on Amazon as well. It gets a little fatiguing holding your wrist if you're doing throttle only and not using the cruise control feature. So we're going to go ahead and install this today. It's a pretty simple installation. Comes with the Allen key that you need, as well as some set screws, one screw and a nut. So I found out from installing this on my wife's trike that you really don't need the set screws. I'm not going to use them because I don't want them digging into the throttle part of the grip. So we're just going to hold those aside. And what we have right here, it only goes on one way. So you just gently bring it around the handlebars and open it up enough to get it over there. You don't want to move too hard or bend it too hard, just in case you don't want to crack the plastic. So we're just going to insert the screw. The nut is captured in the back, so once you get it started loosely, you can position it into place. Let's get this going here. There we go. So we're just going to put it level with the ground for this installation. That will give you the maximum throttle. So I'm pushing it up as far as it will go against the edge of the grip, just to have it in a comfortable position. So once you believe that it's level, you just go ahead and tighten down the one screw, and that's it. So now you have a thumb throttle that you can use instead of having to twist your whole hand and wrist. You can just push down with your thumb. Simple installation, takes 30 seconds. So I definitely appreciate you watching, and if you would like and subscribe to the channel, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.